Nigeria Army celebrating restoring peace, and finally the unknown gunman is no more in Southeast. This is coming from the Nigeria Army. But as that one they happen though, now some people come bring video, come outside, say yesterday people where they celebrate the return the chest out unknown gunmen, then now are unknown gunmen in Southeast. Because how can he just come where people are, he just open fire? About 3 or 4 people was injured instantly. People that are going their own business, not that it's midnight, they are going their own way. And this is them coming up showing us they are celebrating that sit at home unknown government are no more in Southeast. But when people see you, they are afraid more than when they see unknown government. I want you to watch this video.
The streets are busy as residents of Enugu go about their normal duties on a Monday morning, unlike in the past when they observed the sit-at-home order imposed by the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra. With Operation Udoka in place, the general officer commanding 82 Division of the Nigerian Army and force commander of the operation laments the number of deaths recorded due to the activities of IPOB.
If you look at the number of people that have been kidnapped, ransoms paid, people killed, a good number of it from the statistics available shows they are actually from the Southeast. So what fight are we really talking about?
The military reassures residents of the area of adequate security and reaffirms the commitment to flushing out remnants of IPOB.
And we will leave no stone unturned to make sure that we restore the glory the Southeast Nigeria is known for.
From Enugu to Imo, peace appears to have returned, attested to by the beehive of activities at the popular Banana Junction in Olu East. The garrison commander of Sector 4 in Olu and some residents speak on the situation.
Before we are running this banana junction, we don't have rights in this banana junction, but I thank God that the governor of Imo State have done it for us.
Once here to all here, there's no problem here.
The story is somewhat different in Osumogu, the hotbed of IPOB activities in Ihiala local government area of Anambra State. Parts of the town appear deserted despite the presence of military personnel who have reclaimed 8 local government areas previously occupied by the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra.
Now, they have been in this place since 2017. So it has been like a fortress where they have become fully established. And so because of that, they do everything possible to ensure that they are not dislodged from this location. So that's why the fight is on. And this location gives them an easy access to the expressway, that is Onitsha-Owerri Expressway.
Although the sit-at-home order by the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra is no longer being enforced, the military are leaving no stone unturned to restore the peace and progress of the Southeast.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video. As you don't see I'm there now, people will say unknown government, they know they again. They say that both ESN or both they have, all of them are gone. But I'm going to show you this video. What them will be army do to people last night. Just watch the video.
You can see here in the hospital that we rushed our brother. I will rush our brother. He went to fill a gas according to the people there, and according to him, as he told us, he went to fill a gas at gas plants. They call us they known as Second Coming at Orata by Expressway. where he finally got this very injury. He's lying helplessly at the hospital right now. He was fired a live bullet by a Nigerian soldier. They were having quarrel at the gas plant while this our brother came to fill a gas. So what happened was that the soldiers came and they started shooting people there without even asking what was happening. This is how bad they have become. This is how bad things have become. This is the second person that got injured by a live bullet on his neck, at the back of his neck. And according to the young man, he's now telling us that the bullet is moving around his head. I don't know. We don't know whether things will get out of hand. We don't know for now the situation of things, but for now they are still conscious. We are still trying to get the doctor's x-ray so that they will be either treated here or posted elsewhere for treatment.
There is one adage in Igbo that says that Wulite Ogasa Shele Nkatani Ogani Tokwanchi Oji, means that if you like, take all the whole palm oil you have in your house, cook for dog, that dog must shit a black shit. This is the meaning of that adage. So now you can see that these people did me even good for people. So however, my people, I want you to drop your own opinion in comment section. But as that one they happen, they said our brothers waiting for South Africans don't call Nigeria government. Say most of them want to leave South Africa forever. That is, they want to leave from South Africa, but they don't have passport to get a visa to come back. So I'm going to play the video. May you hear waiting they happen for that area.
When you're walking around in South Africa, they will stop you because you are in Nigeria. Where is the drugs? Where is the permit? Where is this? You are illegal immigrant. They hold you. You are going to prison. If you have money, you saw the police, they will leave you. For how long are we going to do this in South Africa?
What seems like a meeting that intends to address key challenges and social ills that are faced by Nigerians in South Africa turned out to become what could be regarded as the national revolution for democracy against the leading apostles of Nigerian consulate to South Africa.
Our grievances in South Africa is much.
Hear me and hear me out. I want the citizens' rights to be taken into consideration.
As part of vision of NECASA, we need to provide solutions to good services to Nigerians in South Africa, especially on the issue of passport, traveling certificates, NIN, resident permits, and other relevant documents we need as immigrants.
Gather our consulants in one office to less the stress for our people.
This is the main problem we are having. So if Nigerian government cannot provide common passports for their people in diaspora, what's the use of having consulates?
You do the right thing, you don't need to go to OYS. And you get your passport 48 hours after the capture.
This passport you are saying now, you said we should go to website and do whatsoever we want to do. We will do it in 3 years, you will get that passport.
In South Africa, you cannot stay in South Africa without a permit. And that permit must be put in your Nigerian passport.
It's totally unfair for a person to apply for Nigerian passport and they are being charged over 7,000 rand for that.
Nigeria consulate here in South Africa, they are frustrating their people.
Right, the Nigerian General Assembly that was hosted by NECASA, Nigerian Citizens Association of South Africa, in accordance with the aim of Nigerian diplomatic mission in South Africa, received backlogs of reactions from angry Nigerian citizens living in Witbank, a city that is located in Mpumalanga province of South Africa, within the Imihelane local municipality.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as I have watched that video. So this now waiting they happen for inside South Africa, where our brothers where they over there they talk say make them try give them passport so that they feel even come up for the country as well. So I'm going to leave it here for today. I'm coming back again to bring you more updates of waiting they go on. I beg may you share this video and remember say you still there for news info. Share the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.